This is my actual travel tech kit, the device I carry, use and rely on when I'm away from home. And almost everything I just showed you fits inside this. This is the Tomtoc Aviator T33, my everyday sling. I used to carry the T21 model, which was great, but this new one, the T33 in X-Pack fabric, just clicks with me. It's a bit more spacious, more comfortable on the shoulder, and I love how the compartments are laid out. It holds my tablet, my phone, earbuds, even a small power bank, and everything stays in place. If I had to pick just one bag to carry all while traveling, it would be this one. So now that you have seen how I carry it, let's dive into the actual tech I bring with me, starting with the phone and tablet I use every single day. These two are the core of my travel setup, my Nothing Phone 3A Pro and the Lenovo Legion Y700, the 2023 model. Between the two of them, I can do pretty much anything I need while I'm away. The Nothing 3A Pro has been my main phone for a couple of months now. I love the design, the clean UI and the performance. The battery easily lasts a full day and the camera has really surprised me, especially when traveling. I'm actually thinking about making a full review of this phone, so if you are curious, let me know in the comments. And then there is my Lenovo Y700. I have talked about this tablet before and honestly I still love it. Powerful, compact and super versatile. The stylus makes it even better for note-taking or sketching ideas while I'm on the go. And of course it fits perfectly in the sling. I use it for watching movies, emulating games and even for quick edits or typing when paired with a small keyboard. It's one of those devices I genuinely enjoy using. And the best part, everything fits inside the sling with room to spare. That's my base combo for every trip. Now this is not something I always carry with me, but if I think I might want to write a bit more seriously or get organized during the trip, I throw this setup in the main backpack, just in case. It's a foldable Bluetooth keyboard and a small Bluetooth mouse. The mouse is silent, very compact and it charges via USB Type-C, perfect for traveling. Sometimes it's just nice to be able to type with a full layout, especially if you want to write a long message, take structured notes or even journal a bit. Now technically I also have a Starlight 5 and a FireTab Duo. Both are Linux tablets, in one I'm running Ubuntu and in the other one I'm running Arch Linux. But let's be honest, when I'm on vacation I rarely need them. So unless I'm going on a work trip or I know I will need a full OS, they stay at home. So yeah, I don't bring this every time, but it's a good combo to have just in case you want a bit more comfort without carrying a full laptop. If there is one thing I never travel without, it's this. A small and slim power bank that fits right inside the sling. This one is from Voltme and is 10,000 mAh and it includes a built-in cable. It's compact, light and perfect for topping up my phone or tablet while I'm out all the day. And I also keep a short USB-A to USB-C cable in the sling. This is super useful when I want to charge a retro handheld, since many of them don't support fast charging, and it's better to charge them with the USB-A port of the power bank. With this little cable I can safely charge whatever retro console I'm carrying, even while I'm walking or during a train ride. For longer trips or flights, I also pack a larger 20,000 mAh Xiaomi power bank in the main backpack. That's one for when I know I will be unplugged for a while and it can charge my tablet, my phone and more, all at once. And when I'm settled somewhere, I use this, a Voltme travel charger with 3 USB Type-C ports and 2 USB-A. I can fast charge the tablet or the phone and charge other accessories more slowly at the same time with the USB-A ports. And I also pack a 2-meter USB-C cable. You will be surprised how often other plugs are in the worst possible spot. It's a small setup, but it covers everything, from quick top-ups while moving to full overnight charging, whether it's a phone, tablet or even my handheld consoles. I don't usually listen to music when I travel, but when I'm in transport like the trains or flights, good audio makes the trip more enjoyable. For flights or long journeys, I bring the Sony XM4 for the noise cancelling. They are still one of the best. And for quick use, I alternate between the Nothing Ear A and the Realme Buds Air 5 Pro. I like having both so I can rotate while one charges. But what I enjoy the most when I travel is retro gaming. Right now I carry the Mio Flip V2 and honestly I love it. There is something about having a real D-pad, physical buttons and a flip design that just feel right. I mainly use it for GBA games, especially Pokemon ROM hacks. It's compact, has great battery life and I just enjoy the experience of playing on a dedicated handheld. But sometimes I want a bit more power or variety, that's when I use the Lenovo Y700 with a compact gamepad, like this 8-bit though Lite 2. It's crazy what this tablet can handle, up to Switch games, if I feel like playing something more demanding. And the gamepad makes a big difference, especially for platformers or action games. Technically, I could fit this controller in a Sling, but I don't like to overpack it, so it usually goes in the main backpack. So this is what I use to disconnect, whether it's a quick Pokemon session or diving into a full-blown action game on the tablet, it's all about having options, without taking half your setup from home. So everything I actually need while I'm out stays in the Sling. Phone, tablet, retro handheld, power bank and a short USB-A to USB-C cable for safe charging. Seriously, this little cable is the key for charging retro handhelds since many of them don't support fast charging through USB Type-C power delivery. And then, in the main backpack, I carry a few extras that I only use when I get to where I'm staying. First, a simple HDMI cable tucked away in the corner. It doesn't take up space and if the TV in the Airbnb or the hotel has an HDMI input, I can plug the tablet and watch anything in a big screen. And to make that work, I carry a small USB-C hub with HDMI input that is also useful if I ever need to transfer files or plug in accessories to the tablet. And this is the real charging kit. The Voltme multi-port charger plus a couple of longer USB-C cables all packed into this small pouch that come with the charger. When I arrive at the hotel or the Airbnb, I just plug this and charge everything overnight, tablet, phone, handhelds, all at once. It's simple, it's light and it just works. I don't carry everything on me, but when I stop, I had everything I need. So yeah, this is the tech I actually travel with. It's not the fancy setup, but it works for me. It's light, flexible and it lets me enjoy the trip without thinking too much about gear. And if I had to give just one piece of advice, it would be this: don't overpack, but don't underestimate what a small reliable accessories can do for you. Half of this year has earned a spot in my setup because of past mistakes, things I forgot to pack or pack and never use. Now I only carry what I know I will use and a couple of extras that might save the day. Anyway, this is how I travel. If you have a setup that works for you or something you always take on every trip, drop it in the comments. I'm always curious to see what others people carry. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next one.